Today I'm going to be presenting a how-to lesson on how to control nutria. So first thing you're going to do is write how to control nutria at the top of your page. The next thing you're going to do is split your paper up into 4 sections. So I'm just going to do it straight down the page in 4 even sections. So we kind of talked about this in earlier lessons, but nutria are a nuisance in the state of Oregon. So they destroy trees by girdling them, they destroy crops, they eat vital marsh vegetation, and they do numerous other things. So it's really important to find ways to control these semi-aquatic rodents. Okay, so the first type of control we're going to talk about is organic control. Underline that. So within the category of organic control, there's a few different things you can do. So the first thing you can do is repellent. So when I say repellent, I'm talking about adding some sort of substance to crops or trees that will deter the rodents from eating those crops or trees. And we're doing that so that it tastes bad. So we'll just say adding substance to crops or trees to prevent nutria from eating them. Okay, so your second option when you want to control a nutria would be trapping them. So there's all kinds of different types of traps. So there is live traps. So this is where you would trap them, take them to a different location, and let them loose. Within the live traps, you can snare them. So this is where you're going to catch one of their limbs. You could use leg holds, which is similar to snares, but it doesn't usually harm the leg as badly. So a third method for controlling nutria is predation. So in some locations they have tried to bring in other species to control the nutria. So So some species that they talk about are alligators or other large species that would use nutria as a food source. So we talked about this in earlier lessons. This is a problem. This is a problem because if you introduce alligators or some other large organism, it will have the potential of harming other species and maybe having a negative effect on their population. So this one, I'm going to put a star here and say not always a great option. So the fourth and final option for controlling nutria that I'm going to talk about is poison. So this has been a hot topic in the field of controlling nutria, but it actually hasn't been legalized. So poison would be using a substance to kill nutria. So like I said, we're going to put a star here too and say not legalized because they haven't been able to find a substance that will not kill our native species here in Oregon. So again, I want to go back and reiterate the 4 things that I talked about today in terms of how to control nutria. We talked about organic control, trapping, predation, and poison.